ramdam mo katahimikan.
Pwede lang maligaw sa gubat.
Survive na ba tayo?
We headed to Himao River in Calangay, Santa Maria, Laguna, through cycling one Friday morning. Here we enjoyed the sheer quietness of the place and the refreshing beauty of nature. We had stopped so we could buy vegetables and young coconut and capture some scenic spots.
Happy Hearts Day. Papunta kami ngayon sa Calangay para mag-celebrate. Ay may dala kaming tilapia sa kapusit at atay ng manok para ihawin sa tabi ng Himao River. 10 piso, isa lang po. Ganito lang siya. At pwede na siyang kainin.
We wore sleepers this day because we knew we had to cross the stream. Biking was quite tiring for amateurs like us, so frequent stops needed help until we reached this location. This area is home to different kinds of birds and fish. As we reached the place, we saw 3 kinds of birds, one being a kingfisher. It's not just bikers who will enjoy this place, but also bird watchers and campers, so better get your camera, telephotos, and camping equipment ready.
Welcome to Himao!
As we arrived, we saw the place being prepared for waves of tourists who will bathe, cook, and stay in this site. We were grateful to meet the owner who gladly let us feature this spot and cook in this area.
Ihawin mo ito, tara na.
Isa lang siguro.
Bumili ka nga ng atay.
Yeah!
Ay, yun. Yun lang ba marunong.
Pinahiram po kami ng screen. Pwede na kami mag-ihaw ulit. Tuloy-tuloy.
Yun. Kakain ka.
Kain tayo dyan sa lalagyan.
Dadayo lang pala tayo dito ng
Lunch.
Hindi, lagayan pa.
Oo,
Gawa na rin
isa.
suka. Ay, anak ko na. Akin na yung panggato nyo. Wala pala tayong dalang Terara.
Alin?
Anong tawag dun?
Ikaw talagang food reviewer natin eh.
Yun lang.
So, nabili po natin ng isang piraso, yung pusit. Pinayagan po ng may-ari. Nabili po namin sa halagang 40 pesos. And yung isda ay 50 pesos. Then, bumili rin kami ng atay ng manok. 30 pesos. May dala kami suka. Op! Sabi mo. Ready to eat. matigas ba ang kamay ko? Bakit?
Ang dumi na kamay natin.
Sarap! Sarap!
Lunes Santo hanggang Sabado ng Linggo ng Pagkabuhay.
Opo.
May pulis dito.
May bantay po. Kuya, anong pong mga isda ang mga nahuhuli dito?
Tilapia po, hito, pastelan.
Wow, tilapia. Hipon? At dalag. Ay, ayos ah. Marami po bang isda dito? Ay, madami daw. Ba, napakaganda naman dyan. Tingnan mo nga itong view. Oh.
Our senses were rested as we bathed on the beauty of this place. So if you fancy cycling, photography, or camping, this place is for you. Include this in your list and bring the whole gang in.
The cat follows.